After a loss, trading changes. Not the market, not your strategy. You do. My last trade was a loss, and today I hesitate on two perfect setups. They met my criteria. They were clean. They were exactly what I look for. And I didn't take them. Not because they were bad trades, but because the last one didn't work. That's the part most traders don't talk about. After a loss, hesitation sneaks in quietly. You start second-guessing things that never bothered you before. You wait for extra confirmation. You tell yourself you're being patient. But really, you are afraid of being wrong again. That's how the cycle begins. Loss, doubt, hesitation, missed trades, frustration. And eventually, two things happens. You overtrade to make it back, or you stop trading altogether. Neither one fixes the problem. Today, after missing those two setups, I made a decision. I told myself, I'm not chasing price. I'm not revenge trading. I'm not taking a bad setup just to feel better. Instead, I set one rule. I would sit in my chair until the market closed and wait for a setup that fit all my criteria. No shortcuts, not forcing trades. And when it showed up, I would take it, no matter what. This wasn't about patience. It was about trust. After a loss, your brain wants safety. And safety feels like hesitation. But hesitation doesn't protect your account. It slowly destroys your confidence. You don't rebuild confidence by avoiding trades. You rebuild it by executing correctly, especially when it feels uncomfortable. So I waited, not 5 minutes, not 30, 4 hours. 4 hours of watching price move without me. 4 hours of resisting the urge to just take something. 4 hours of doing nothing on purpose. And then it happened. The setup appeared. Clear structure, clear bias, everything aligned with my rules. When it showed up, there was no hesitation. I knew my entry, I knew my stop, I knew my target. And I took the trade. Not because I needed a win, but because this was the real trade. The outcome didn't matter. What mattered was this. I didn't let the previous loss control my next decision. I didn't end the day frozen. I didn't break my rules to feel relief. I broke the cycle. I don't know if the next trade after a loss will be easy, but today I proved something to myself. I can take the next correct trade, even after a loss. And that's how confidence is rebuilt in trading. Not through profits, not through motivation, but through execution. Although no one can go back and make a new beginning, anyone can start now to make a new ending. Today, my ending wasn't profit. It was discipline. And that's enough. Thanks for watching.